Well, here we are. Just started the old Kepler Track. What do you reckon, T? Got 6 hours to the first hut, so nice cruisy day. Flat for the first, it's like an hour and a half or something, and then she goes up. Shit. Oh, we just got to Broad Bay. Shit. Look at that, how good. Up the lake towards Fiordland Downs. We're heading up. Tony's got sore feet, so we're just gonna... She put the blister things on just before, but I think we're gonna add a little bit of Luco tape to them. Really tape them up so that we don't get blisters, because that's no fun for anyone. What do you reckon, T?
Shit like the same price.
Quick job's a good job. All good, mate. Tony's got a few sore feet, a few hot spots, so I stopped before and pulled as much weight out of her pack as I could, which I'm starting to feel now.
Motorbike would be good.
See the lake?
Yeah.
Yeah. Stunner day.
Okay.
Beauty.
Look at you, you sweaty ass.
Well,
Where's your ball wiper? You used that to wipe your balls before. Oh, yuck!
Just about at the top. I can see out of the bush now. So we've been 4 hours, 15 minutes, I think.
45 minutes.
Oh yeah, there you go, Luxmore Hut, 45 minutes away. Oh, how beautiful, honey.
Yawn.
How good.
So good. So good.
Just beauty. Big country. So we're gonna go all the way around the other side of there on our trip.
That's my word. I don't think they know that's my word. Yeah, that's my. Hold up. Big on the set, what they said, play. So I skip straight ahead to the bread part. Top out, I'm cool on the chick chain. Fuck with the kid, know I got to get paid. Big on the set, what they said, play. So I skip straight ahead to the bread part. Top out, I'm cool on the chick chain. Fuck with the kid, know I got to get paid. Keep it real with you, I've been in the field in position. Look, hey, I've been trill, you can tell by how I feel when you with me. Look, wave, tell me, can you slide for me?
Be good to get to the hut, have a cup of tea. Boat's off, she says. Townhouse just behind there. It's the lake. Look at all these little tarns and lakes and inlets, hoodakis and yayas.
She gon' bust it open way before I finish thumbing.
Beautiful mountain.
Paper proper play and teach you something. Got my stones on Himalaya. Know I'm out your sucker ducking. Ain't no need for that discussion. Niggas bluffing with the game. About to build a couple million. Came with nothing but my name. I'ma twist it, flip it, stick it like a bop it. Tell them stop it. All them haters out of pocket. Let me plug it like a socket, baby.
Well, we've not long started on day 2. Just left the Luxmore hut, heading for the Iris Burn. We're going to make a stop on the way climb the top of Mount Luxmore. Weather's looking a little bit shit. Should be an interesting day.
It's snowing and it's cold and I've got cold little legs, but it's okay.
Why don't you put your pants on?
It's not stylish.
Fuck, you're hard as nails, honey.
I'm hard as.
Keep going.
And we're just dawdling. Had a lazy start to the morning. Bruce was snoring all night, so I got no sleep. Rude. Anyhow.
Aye. That's good. Means you're working. How good? Not the toilet, the view, you fool. It's amazing. Every corner we walk around, I just get too excited. Barred up. How good is that?
We've just come over the hill. We walked all the way along the ridge line, and now we're just dropping back down into the bush, down to Iris Burn. I reckon it's going to be about an hour and a half. I reckon an hour for us, we speedy. Bruce put his rain pants on for absolutely no reason. Fool. So yeah, now we're just trotting our way down the hill. It's quite steep, my toes are a bit sore, but it's nice to be going down for a while, although I don't think that's going to last very long. My legs are quite sore. And Bruce has promised me some chocolate when we get to the camp, so...
What's that?
Some choco.
Choco?
You
reckon?
Bruce told me we weren't allowed to bring hot chocolates, and I have mass regrets. So next time, I will be in charge of food.
Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air.
bunk and the hut with the bunks, big kitchen, probably got a fireplace, and no mosquitoes, those poor bastards. But we've got the main view up the valley. I mean, it's the same view that they've got, but it's from a different angle, which makes it better. And here's, so that's the main area. It's our cooking gear, whatnot, campground, kitchen. I mean, it's pretty bloody nice. Pretty bloody nice. COVID killer. And here's the Hilleberg Hotel. Check in, see who's home. Housekeeping. Hello.
What do you
Oh,
want?
nice bum.
I'm tired this morning. Bruce made me sleep on the rocks with no mattress. And then wondered why my back's sore this morning. But I think we've decided to bail out today. It's going to be a bit shit. And the last day is just a boardwalk. So here we are up at bloody Sparrow's Fart. Walking. Living the dream. We just saw a deer. Or 3. I think Bruce has got to see me.
Crazy amount of water in the river. But wet last night, AT? Alright. She stopped raining on us now though, which is good. We just truck on out. On the road again. I just can't wait to get on the road again. I'm driving the Kepler Track with my best friend. On the road again. I just can't wait to get on the road again. Walking the Kepler Track with my best friend. I can't wait to get on the road again.
So we're about halfway between where we had brunch and the hut. Everything's feeling pretty sore about now. Bruce has got a packed in knee. And I feel like I've just done a marathon, which we are a half marathon unwittingly with a pack on the back. It's all fun. So we're just kind of cruising along here. We have the option of getting the shuttle from Rainbow Reach, which is about an hour and a half away from the hut. So I think we might be taking that option up about now. Things are pretty sore. Yeah, we'll keep you posted, I guess. I'm not very good at this camera thing. Oh god, I feel like an old lady.
Oh.